Now, order of adjective. First, we have to know what is adjective. An adjective is a word used to describe or qualify noun or a pronoun. Now, before knowing that, you have to just go through what is adjective. And it is a sweet mango. When we say it is a sweet mango, it is describing something about mango. What type of mango it is? It is a sweet mango. When more than one adjective comes before a noun modifying the same noun, they are usually placed in certain order. So now it has been said that when one or more adjectives are being used to modify a noun, so it is being placed in a certain order that we have to know. First is determiners, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. So these are the some of the ways how you have to put an order on this of these adjectives. First is about determiners. A determiner is a word used before a noun to give additional information about that noun. So first we have to put the determiner, and it gives the additional information about that particular noun. It comes in different way. We can use different in the form of article, a, an, and the, demonstrative adjective, this, that, these, those. And the next is possessive adjectives, my, our, yours, his, hers, theirs. Quantitative adjectives, some, few, little, etc. And then numerical adjective, first, second, one, two, etc. So in the way of opinion, what we think about something or someone. Beautiful it is, lovely, good, bad, delicious, expensive, etc. Size. This adjective tells us about the size, how big or small something or someone is, like big, large, huge, long, small, little, short, etc. Now coming to the order of adjective of the ages, and this adjective tells us how young or old or something or someone is. Now next one is, you can say young, old, new, ancient, and modern. And then next is the shape. This adjective tells us about the shape of something, what shape it is. For example, round, square, triangular, rectangular, wavy, or zigzag. The next one is the color. This adjective describes the color of something, what type of color it is, red, black, bright, pale, faded. These things you can use for colors. And origin, it describes where something comes from. For example, whether it is Indian, American, French, Japanese, etc. Now coming to the material, it describes what something is made of. For example, you can say whether it is a gold, copper, wooden, metal, cotton, paper, plastic, etc. In that case, next is purpose. It describes what something is used for. It often ends with ing. So that is the most important thing. Ing is being used to end it. Like rolling, writing, and racing. Like rolling pin, writing pad, and racing car. This is how you have to use. Now coming to some examples using determiners, opinion, size, age, etc., color, origin, material, and purpose. I saw dash girl. I saw. You can fix it now according to black hat means color, 2 determiner, young, age, Indian origin, tall, size, beautiful, opinion. Now we have to fix this in the sentence. Now first is determiners. I saw 2 beautiful, tall, young, black haired girl, Indian girl. So you can see this is the way how you have to arrange. Now coming to the second sentence. I want to buy dash handbags. Black, this, square, leather, small. In this case, black is color, this is determiners, and then square is this shape, and leather is material, and small is size. Now coming to the answer of this small, square, black, leather handbag. I want to buy this small, square, black leather handbag. This is how it has been written. Now coming to the third one, my father gifted me dash sweater. So now here in this, woolen is material, multicolor is color, expensive is, it is opinion, and is an determiner, long is size. Now coming to this, an expensive, long, multicolored woolen sweater. So this is the answer. This is how you have to do. Degree of comparison: high, higher, highest, long, longer, longest, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, soft, softer, softest. Now next is deep, deeper, deepest, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, late, later, latest, noble, nobler, noblest, fine, finer, finest. Now next positive degree is large, comparative is larger, superlative is largest. Then pure, purer, purest, dense, denser, densest, close, closer, closest, brave, braver, bravest. Next is kind, kinder, kindest, simple, simpler, simplest, tough, tougher, toughest, new, newer, newest, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Now next is big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, hot, hotter, hottest, mad, madder, maddest, sad, sadder, saddest. Next is fat, fatter, fattest, young, younger, youngest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, wet, wetter, wettest, wise, wiser, wisest, white, whiter, whitest, safe, safer, safest, small, smaller, smallest, great, greater, greatest, strong, stronger, strongest. Next is bright, brighter, brightest, slow, slower, slowest, dark, darker, darkest, fast, faster, fastest, sharp, sharper, sharpest. Next is rich, richer, richest, weak, weaker, weakest, soon, sooner, soonest, smart, smarter, smartest, poor, poorer, poorest. Next is near, nearer, nearest, glad, gladder, gladdest, low, lower, lowest, light, lighter, lightest, few, fewer, fewest. Now next one is cool, cooler, coolest, holy, holier, holiest, happy, happier, happiest, dry, drier, driest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now coming to the next one is merry, merrier, merriest, silly, sillier, silliest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, narrow, narrower, narrowest, common, commoner, commonest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now here you can see more is being used, and most for superlative degree and more for comparative. Important, more important, most important. Then helpful, more helpful, most helpful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Then necessary, more necessary, most necessary. Then difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Then profound, more profound, most profound. Then diligent, more diligent, most diligent. Next is the complete form changes over here. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Old, older, oldest. Many or much, more, most. Little, less,